writes in Bhagavatam, Panchasha Ornam Vanam Braje. Kapil Dev's father, anyone knows who's the father of Kapil Dev?
Kardama.
So Kardama Muni, he left his home, although the Lord was born in his home. So what is the necessity for him to leave the home? So Prabhupada writes, Yaded Ashirtad Sreshtas. So even the people on hierarchy, they have to follow all the religious principles. So Prabhupada writes, at least after 50 years, one has to leave his all business to his children, and he has to leave the home with his wife. He has to go to all the holy places, and he has to take a dip. So it is mentioned in the scriptures, Tirtha means there are different names given. Tirthi Kuruvanti Tirthani. There is one nice verse. Yudhishthira Maharaj, he glorifies Vidura when he comes back to Hastinapur because he didn't take part in the battle of Mahabharata. He went on a pilgrimage. So after pilgrimage, when he came back, actually basically he came to take Dhritarashtra, because Dhritarashtra, although he was grown old, but he never left his home. He never atoned for any sinful activities. So he wanted that Dhritarashtra, he come out of his household activities and he should atone for the sin, whatever sins he has committed. So this way, so there are so many instances mentioned in the scriptures that yes, one has to go to the holy places and one has to atone for the sinful activities what we have committed. Basically, this applies only to the humans, not animals. Except mankind, there is no mention of atoning for sins to all other whatever living entities. So Prabhupada, he explains that in many purports, what Prabhupada writes, that when we go to holy places, we should associate with the saintly people. How going on pilgrimage is gradually renouncing the home and making a preparation to go back home, back to Godhead. So what exactly is Tirtha Yatra is gradually renouncing the home. But today the trend is changing. Today people are coming to holy places. First when they check in, they want to see the room, AC kaam kar raha hai ki nahi, what is there for breakfast, lunch, dinner, where we will go for picnic, what nice food I will get to eat. And recently Raghunath Maharaj, about 5 years back, what he was telling, there is a big change in people's behavior visiting holy places. So what he was telling, that today people, they come to holy places for shopping. Now forget about visiting or seeing the Lord or taking nice darshan of the Lord. So now we should know, when we come to holy places, Krishna explains in Bhagavad Gita, Ye yathamam prapadyante. The Lord will reciprocate according to what is our consciousness. If our consciousness, if we are submerged in taking the darshan or going and listening to the katha, then the Lord will reciprocate with us in a positive mood. Like one devotee, he visited Vrindavan about 10-12 years back. So recently I was with him. He told me his nice experience visiting Vrindavan. So many devotees, they have a positive, and many have their negative experience. So I'll tell one positive, one negative. So this devotee was sitting in the temple courtyard and the kirtan was going on. Now you see the birds, they are doing kirtan. There are some rishis, munis, okay. So what happened? All of you know Krishna Balram, they are standing in what nice pose they are standing. So this devotee, he saw that Krishna's one finger is doing like this. Yes, all of you know, especially kids, they can make out. Okay, come here. So then he saw, is really Krishna calling me? He saw, yes, the finger is just nodding, come this side. So he got up from the audience, he went near the altar. So Pujari came, he garlanded him, he gave him some prasad. So he told me, Mera Jeevan Dhanya ho gaya. I am blessed. Krishna has reciprocated with me. Okay? This is one positive instance. Now I'll just tell one negative. Oftentimes people like Krishna, he will come and, because Krishna is the doctor, supreme doctor, and he will test. Vrindavan is a testing ground. Please keep in your mind, whenever you visit Vrindavan, if your consciousness is not like that of Akrura, then Krishna is standing with his syringe and injection, whatever it is, and Krishna has all his associates, from the monkeys to pandas and so many other things. So Krishna will poke you. At every point he will poke you. And many visiting devotees, they have a good experience of getting sick and getting so many reactions. One time when Mataji, she told me, Prabhuji, I am completely lost. I said, what happened? I am broad. My room keys gone, my mobile gone, my all cards gone. I say, what can I do? So Vrindavan means hands up. Okay? So now about the negative. This was way back in '94. I was that time I was in Navy. So I came with one of my friend. We came in late July, and that time Yamuna was in full swing, flowing. So the day we arrived late night. So somehow we didn't get dinner. So we checked into a room, and it was summer time. The light gone, and the mosquitoes, they had a good time biting. So he didn't get a good sleep, no dinner. So next day morning we thought we'll take a parikrama Vrindavan. So while crossing Yamuna, somehow he slipped and his gamcha was taken, went into the water. So he couldn't wait. So then we went to Radha Damodar. A monkey came. He took his bead bag and he ripped off his beads. He completely finished his mala. So he got so much frustrated that we came to the temple. By that time it was 10 o'clock. The breakfast was over. So then he said, when is the next prasadam? They said 3 o'clock. So he was completely boiling from inside. So I get often, because I take a good number of devotees on parikrama. So one time, another positive, like there is one family from Bombay. So every year they go to some country. I don't want to name. Okay, one time they were visiting with me. They were doing parikrama of Govardhan. And one of their family member, they were speaking from behind. पिछले साल हम लोग पिरामिड का परिक्रमा कर रहे हैं. Last year we were doing that parikrama of that, all of you know what is pyramid means? Kabristan. For Muslims it's called Kabristan, graveyard. Last year in our holidays we were circumambulating that graveyard, but this year we are circumambulating Vrindavan now. This Radharaman Maharaj has come. His Holiness Radharaman Maharaj, Swami Maharaj ki. I'll hand over the mic to Radharaman Maharaj. He will do some katha for us. So later on we'll continue. Hare Krishna. कुछ 5 मिनट तो बोलना. हाँ, हरे कृष्ण महाराज जी. थोड़े जब तक ब्रेकफास्ट चालू नहीं होता है तब तक आप कथा.
वीडियो हरी बोल, हरी बोल, हरी बोल.
हरे कृष्ण. हरे कृष्ण.